team, I want to discuss our emergency evacuation plan. It's crucial that everyone is familiar with the procedures in case of a fire, natural disaster, or other emergency.
I remember going through the evacuation drills last year.
That's great. However, it's important to review the plan regularly to ensure everyone is up to date. In case of an emergency, we'll follow the designated evacuation routes and assemble at the designated assembly point.
What should we do if we encounter a person who is unable to evacuate on their own?
We have a designated team of staff members trained to assist patients who require assistance during evacuations. Please follow their instructions and ensure the safety of all patients.
Are there any specific items we should grab in case of an emergency?
We have a list of essential items that should be readily accessible in each department. These include emergency supplies, first aid kits, and communication devices.
Mihira, I understand that you've noticed some changes in your nails, and I want to reassure you that there are several common and manageable reasons why this might be happening. One possibility is simply the natural aging process, as nails can become more brittle and discolored over time. Another factor could be your diet or fluid intake. If your body isn't getting enough of the right nutrients or hydration, it can affect the health of your nails. Additionally, sometimes changes in nails can be a sign of an underlying health issue, such as a thyroid problem. The good news is that many of these causes can be addressed with small adjustments to your diet, lifestyle, or medical care. We can work together to figure out the best way to support your overall health and improve the condition of your nails. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm here to help.